Good afternoon, viewers. Oh, nasty accident. Well, today guys, I'm going to show you the new Splash Park. There's been an accident just outside. And where is the Splash Park? Well, it's almost right opposite the government centre. Here on the right is the government centre, and on the left, this is the new Splash Park. And it will be open this month, on December the 15th. The main entrance is just past this gas station here. Is the main entrance on the left. To Splash Park, a new water park in BACOLOD City. So there it is, just opposite the government centre. Has a pool, lots of slides, and here's the main entrance. You still have spaces if you want to open a business there. Sell ice cream. It's a water park. They're doing a good job of not letting anybody see inside, but I'll find some gaps in the fence. Here it is, inside Splash Water Park. Open next week. It's quite a big area. Lots of car parking. So, that's Splash Water Park, guys. Open next week. It should have been open a long time ago, but thanks to lockdown, work stopped. But it's now finished and ready to go. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.